This is a short demo of the Expert 360 Lightning adapter for Lightswitch using Salesforce.com. So my starting point for this is my Salesforce instance. I have an opportunity set up called Salesforce Lightning. Now my aim is to set up a Lightswitch app in a couple of minutes and update this opportunity with some data from my Lightswitch app. And this should be pretty quick. Okay, so here we go. We're into Visual Studio. We're going to set up a new Lightswitch project. Call it Salesforce. Let's set that up. And first thing we're going to do is enable the Expert 360 Salesforce extension on this project. It gives us the ability to connect to Salesforce.com and update it. Okay. Right, here we go. So first of all, I'll jump into the properties and extensions and enable the Expert 360 Lightning for Salesforce extension. What that means is that we'll have the ability to use that as a WCF RIA service in our application. Okay, so we should now see that listed in our list of RIA services. Here we go, and we're going to go to Next, and we should see all the entities there from Salesforce. So I'm just going to select them all. I'm going to then go off and point to my credentials file where I hold my authentication information for Salesforce. Now, basic information is the username and password to connect to Salesforce and a token which is issued by Salesforce. So I'm going to update that on my extension. There we go. And I'm going to then should see a full list of all the entities used by the adapter on Salesforce.com. Okay, here we go. So I'll quickly knock up a screen to edit my opportunity. So I'll do a list detail screen and select my opportunity entity. There we go. And that's pretty much it. So what that's going to do now, the Lightswitch metadata we created from that entity and create all the screen controls I need to update Salesforce. What I'll focus on is just updating the description and maybe another field on the opportunity. So let's start that up. While that's building, just a quick note that it's a little bit convoluted to get the credentials information from Salesforce, and it requires access to the API, a developer license. I'll show you at the end of this recording where you need to get your security token from. It's basically issued with your username and password, but you can reset that security token and it emails it through to you at any point in time. Okay, so we should be getting to the point where we're ready to run this. So it's taken a little while to build. Again, that adapter is available from expert360.com or from the Visual Studio gallery for download. Okay. Let's hope we make this one in 5 minutes as well. The way it's building now, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Okay, here we go. All right, so there we go. There's our Lightswitch app, just appearing up on the screen there. Okay. So what this is doing is similar to the Dynamics demo video. We're now authenticating with Salesforce.com and we're downloading a list of all the opportunities we have set up. We'll see those down the left, and down the right will be the selected opportunity. And we will update the description, and we'll do the amount as well on that opportunity. Okay, here we go. Let's just quickly sort those by name, and we're looking for our Lightning Salesforce Lightning Notice. Okay, so that's our opportunity. So let's put something in the description there. Okay. And let's just update the amount to 50 there. Okay, quick save, and that should be posting that off to Salesforce. Let's go back to our Salesforce instance and refresh that. And great, yep, here we go. You can see the description is updated and the amount is been updated to 50 euros. Okay, so let's quickly jump back to that credentials file. And so the important thing is getting that token correct based on your username and password. So if we go off to setup and go to personal information and reset my security token, that will actually reissue the token and email it to you, and you can just paste that into the credentials file. Okay, thanks very much for listening.